Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning about how to turn these scraps of soap into a bar of soap. So start by soaking them in water for approximately 10 minutes so that they can loosen and soften. And then go ahead and remove them from the water, placing them on aluminium foil, layer them up, then fold the aluminium foil into a compact piece. Once you've done that, add some water in a saucepan, place the folded soaps on top, ensuring that the bottom side does not let in water. Then we are going to heat it up on low heat for 15 minutes. Once the water is almost evaporated from your saucepan, then your soap is ready. You'll notice that at this point your soap is slimy, it has melted into each other, and that is the perfect state that we want it to be. So go ahead and add it onto a container, and then we are going to mash it together, mix it together as much as you can. And then once we've done that, you're going to take an old soap wrapping made from nylon. Then you're going to scoop the soap, put it in the wrapping. You can also use a nylon paper, and then now we're going to start shaping it with our hands according to your desired shape. And you can also do it as a ball or any other thing. Then once we've done that, we are going to set it somewhere and let it rest for 24 hours. By this time, it's approximately 24 hours since we prepared our soap. And once you've unwrapped it, you'll notice that your soap is very hard. It's stuck together and it's ready for use. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.